When will the NEET deadlock end? The million-dollar question that seems to have no answer so far. Seeking some respite, NEET aspirants met Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan for the second time. Sources say the meeting that lasted 30 minutes saw the students express concern over a retest. The Education Minister on his part assured the students that their future was a priority for the government. But there was more disappointment in store for the NEET aspirants. The Supreme Court deferred the hearing on NEET malpractices a day after the centre submitted an affidavit before the court.
एनटीए और सरकार ने जो हलफनामा दिया है वो अब हमारे वकील उसको स्टडी करेंगे, क्योंकि एनटीए ने अपने हलफनामे में पूरे झूठ भर भर के लिखे हैं। एनटीए बार बार अपने स्टैंड को चेंज कर रही है। एनटीए कभी कहता है लीक हुआ था, आज उसने मानने से मना कर दिया लीक हुआ था। हमें यही उम्मीद है कि गुरुवार को अगले एक ऐतिहासिक फैसला आएगा और 24 लाख बच्चों को रीनीट का जो है वो अवसर मिलेगा और सीजीआई 24 लाख परिवारों के साथ जस्टिस करेंगे।
The case will now be heard on the 18th of July. The NEET UG counselling was set to begin in the third week of July, but with this delay, there is a cloud over its timeline. In its affidavit to the Supreme Court, the centre has opposed a re-NEET on grounds that there was no mass irregularity in the NEET UG examination and that the evidence of paper leak is also limited.
IIT Madras has done, they have only compared the result of 2023 and 24. But what was the order of the court? The court has requested the Union of India that some forensic academic background check of the students may be done. So they have not compared with the academic background of the student, such as that how much marks a student has obtained in class 12th or class 11th or class 10th, and what was their result in the NEET examination.
There seems to be no end to insight for students in NEET Not. They are caught in limbo as the case in Supreme Court has been deferred and the counselling dates are drawing near. The big question on their minds is, will they have to sit for NEET for the second time? If yes, then when? This is Aishwarya Jain with video journalist Kamal Kant for NDTV in Delhi.